He kind of hates the water now.
Yeah, he does.
I don't know. He likes baths, but he doesn't like here. He doesn't like going to the pool and stuff. I think it's too cold though too, because he's so little. Oh.
Whoa.
Go, 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 go! You're going somewhere! You're a silly munchkin.
Why don't you do that while you're on your belly so you can crawl?
No, we don't need that.
Whoa. Big cough.
You're a goofball.
What's this?
He's a good workout for you, Dad, huh?
Yeah, I know. Isometric exercise. Do my curls.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Go, 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 go! Get him!
Oh. Oh. Whoa. Nah.
Someone's faking that. Oh, hot mess.
Frogger.
What?
Oh.
You go get him, go get him, go get him! Yes! You got him!